Hi guys, and today we are playing with stuffed animals.
Yeah. There's Snake.
Do you want to play with them?
He's gonna slurp in his drink.
Can you tell us what that is?
Slime!
No, let me show them. Oh. Put the camera on it. Put it on the camera. Not that long though. Ew! Stop now. Wait, it's about to fall. Stop. It's about to fall. Smile. I'm about to take a picture.
Your TV went off.
I know. Do you want to play with the stuffed animals now?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
The berry versus... What if we make a berry...
The bear versus the snake.
Yeah, snake versus bear.
Don't go like hard because I have a camera in my hand, and don't go that hard because I have a camera in my head. And okay? And don't hit the camera. What?
Hey!
Ow! Ow! That hurt.
What the heck?
Ow!
Team? Now there's two.
Oh.
Call it. And now shark.
Ow.
What about the shark versus the snake?
What is that?
Bye.
That snake is powerful. What are you doing, Mr. Snake?
Go get. Ouch.
What was that?
That was throwing you into a black hole. Bye. Ouch.
Who threw that?
Huh?
Who threw that?
That.
The shark threw it? Who threw that?
I don't know.
Snake, was it you?
Yes.
Yes. Ow. Are you okay? Yeah. You just threw Jackson. How could you do that? Shark threw. My fluffy unicorn riding a rainbow.
What if it's called shark?
Pink fluffy unicorn riding a rainbow. Before this video ends, it's not about the end, but before this video ends, make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below. What do you think about Sebastian Slime? And hit that notification button so you won't miss one of our awesome videos. Okay. Are you putting that in your ear? Ew! Ew, stop. Do that again. Make it get up close. Dude,
I can hear it in my ear.
Stop.
I heard it.
Do it again. One more time. Ew. Oh, you've got someone in your ear. I'm just kidding.
Guys, look how satisfying this is.
No, that almost went on the camera.
Jackson has these things. I don't know what the heck they are.
They're for Skylanders. Skylander Imaginators.
And he has the things.
I've got the Earth one and the
Earthquake
Lightning one.
The
Oh, no, that's actually water. This one.
What happens if you use all of them? All the power in them?
Earth.
Is that called the earthquake power?
yeah. We might be recording. So if this video ends like when we're talking, I'm sorry. That's all the storage I am because I'm actually doing it on another device. I'm recording on another device in another channel. So also you might not see a lot of footage on this channel because I have to do the first.
What's this channel called?
JT Hill 2.
JT Hill.
So JT Hill's my first channel. So yeah.